let the ice fishing season begin. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Yay, we are on top of a frozen lake. Ah.
So we thought we'd come to the lake, see the progress of the ice. It's getting there. And go out on our side.
Last weekend was a weekend of first times. We were the first ones to ice fish Boulder Lake for this season. It also was Tatiana's, Drew's girlfriend, first time on a frozen lake. And Conor caught the first massive fish on the ice of 23-24.
Beautiful and quiet here. Looks like it's more froze on our side. Who's filming who?
Conor tried the ice to make sure we could walk on it. He threw big heavy rocks to see if the ice splattered.
Didn't break it.
It was solid, but the surface was slushy. After Conor testing, the ice is not. We decided not to go into it. It's not ready. Look. Can you see the prints? It's wonderful, right? The lake itself was fascinating. It is not entirely frozen. The majority of it is open. Seeing the lake on one side frozen and on the other open gave us goosebumps. We saw God's hand turning the lake into a frozen surface. It was magnificent, an indescribable feeling. Oh my gosh, Conor, look at that. Wow.
Seems like it's more froze on our side.
Wow. Look at this. It's open. Wide open on this side. The lake looks amazing, guys, and I wanted to thank you. Thank you so much for yesterday was a big day for us. We went to 2 fairs and I met lots of people, and thank you for your kind words and thank you for your support. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much. We went to the other side to check the ice. The lake was mind-blowing. We were excited. Winter light could be so special. Last Sunday wasn't the exception. All day it had this orange tone to it.
Hey, baby.
Hey, sweetness. This looks amazing. It starts right here, Daddy. Your way. Oh my gosh! I have ice. Oh goodness, Drewski.
All I can grab.
I can grab. It is an extraordinary sensation walking on a frozen lake. You can feel the adrenaline running through your veins. Conor caught one. It is beautiful. Oh, look at it. It didn't take a long time before Conor caught the first decent fish out of the ice.
All right. Bonnie, taking my fish.
Conor caught one fish and Bunny was telling it. That was hilarious. Our friend, the wind, was with us all day. It felt colder than it was because of it. Thank you, Lord, for allowing us to see your creation from another perspective. Living in Wyoming is exhilarating.
That's Bonnie sized.
I hooked his lips shut.
I see that.
Bunny was hilarious. She was intrigued by the fish coming out of the ice holes. It was her first time on the ice as well. She learned a lot from that day. For moments, she was chilling under a blanket. We took a photo together to commemorate our first time on the ice. Conor, Drew, and I slipped and fell at a certain point in the day. We love having Tatiana sharing her first time on the ice with us.
Hey! Fish on! Every time we walk away. Fish!
Big one!
Conor starting a fight with a lake monster. He was reeling it in for 10 minutes.
Yeah, I can tell by the rod.
It was teamwork to take out that bruiser from that hole. Drew knew from the beginning it was a huge one, and he got ready to help. We love him. He removed his jacket and rolled up his sleeves, prepared to stick his hand in the hole at any moment. Drew was being Drew, and he was directing Conor. Conor was himself, concentrating on the fight without saying a word. Tatiana and I were far away. When I heard Conor say he had a big one, I grabbed my camera and started running towards them. Conor danced around the hole for what felt like an eternity, so the line didn't touch the ice and break. The fish gave a good fight. You can tell from Conor's expressions that he was fighting him with all his strength.
Oh shit, there he is. Don't lift yet, don't lift yet. Let him go back down. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. 10-pounder probably.
Tatiana helped me do a video with my cell phone, so we had both perspectives. Even documenting him catching this lake monster was teamwork.
There he is. I see him.
He did not want to come back to that hole. I had him for a minute.
I see him. He's coming.
Yeah, if you can get him to turn his nose up.
Try.
Come on.
Come on, dude.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Come on, bitch.
good one? They always look bigger at all. Come on, he almost is there. Oh, right there. Oh, shit. Nope, put him down. Let him go one more time. He's tired though. I'm gonna get him this one. He got it clamped. I can't get my hand on his mouth. So I got to kind of get behind him, you know. Yeah. Oh, missed. Oh, I got him. Got that son of a bitch.
Holy moly, dude.
Right in his snoot.
Drew grabbed it from the mouth. Fish have sharp teeth. They even have them on their tongues. Conor and Drew are fantastic, and they are a great team.
Told you he was a good one.
Oh my goodness! Look at that!
That's a bruiser.
That's a whopper.
The fish was at least 20 years. Brown trout can live up to 40 years. Conor respected his adversary. They dunked on the water several times.
Grab him by the donkey so his eyes don't freeze. Grab him by the tail there. Get his head in there so his eyes don't freeze. Okay.
The first time, so its eyes wouldn't freeze.
Yeah, there you go. Hold him up.
It's a monster, Conor!
Dunk him again. He's missing a mandible on that one side. See right here?
Oh, look at
Yeah, that's why he's skinny. 18, 27, 36.
The second time to keep him hydrated. Wow, my sweetness!
15, 14, 15 pounds. Alright.
It was out of the water for a short time. Conor can't wait to do the same for Drew.
Alright, buddy. Thanks. Thanks, buddy.
He's gonna be tired, so you're gonna have to dunk him for a minute and get going.
That was a good fight! Oh my goodness, Conor!
Yeah,
Oh my goodness!
Alright, we can go home now.
well, he got me good.
Oh, man. Yeah, Drew.
Bite you? You could feel the adrenaline rush in the air. All of us were happy for Conor. Conor couldn't believe it. That was his goal for this ice fishing season, and he got it on the first day on the ice. We had a fantastic time on the ice. What a day! We love sharing our adventures with Drew, Tatiana, and you guys behind the screen. I thank God daily for giving me a sweet, loving, adventurous husband and our simple life. Hey guys, so we came to Boulder Lake and oh my gosh, Conor caught a massive fish! Yay for Conor! That was amazing!
He's not expecting it. We'll take it. It's awesome.
Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our online store. Please, what are you waiting for? Bring the heart of Wyoming to your home.
I like the bite print in the middle of my hand. Though. That's that one, you can see his teeth.
Nice.
And then it was
Show me the other one.
all those.
Damn, Drew.
They're sharp, I'm telling you.